Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Nova 12i, and today I'll show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of your screen like so, and then look for the battery saver. You might need to swipe down on the panel to show you more toggles, or actually it looks like we might need to add it. So let's click right here on this box, select edit switches, and you can see it's right here, power saving. So you want to grab it, drag it to the top, drop it, select done, and now you have access to it somewhere. Oh, there we go, there it is for me. Once you see the toggle, simply press on it. It gives you a pop-up right here letting you know what will happen when enabled. You can also click right here the box to not remind you again, so this pop-up won't show up again. Select enable and you're good to go. Once you're done, you can quickly turn off your power saving mode by finding the toggle and tapping on it once more. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.